What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Ladypool. We've drawn kid pool, dog pool, baby pool, now Ladypool. And we got to do head pool and Wolverine pool as well. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So we're going to go from head all the way down to belt. So head's quite small because of that. So probably have to zoom in here for you. Okay, so let us go. Start with those eyes. Small white Deadpool eyes. And we're just going to curve. They're not as like aggressive looking, I guess, as the male. Kind of narrower maybe. Curving that way. And then we just go down up into the corner. Do the same on the other side. Like so. And then we got that sort of eyebrow shape they have here. And then there's kind of a, it's kind of a frown, I guess, there, and then on the other side. And then there's like a cheek area, like so, and maybe an eyelid sort of thing. So we got that Deadpool shape around the eyes, so it's like a black patch around the eye area. There. And then it goes down the back. Like so. And then we got like from the eyebrow, there's like a line that goes up to the corner there. And then like a light sort of line, stitching line that comes around all of this. Just a little light edge line just to make it look a bit more three-dimensional. And we'll do the same pretty much on this side. Okay, it's kind of pointy at the top and then goes down there. And then we got the line there from the eyebrow. And then we got a bit of an edge just to make it look a bit more 3D. Okay, so the rest is kind of just like head shape, right? So we've got like her chin just down here. Okay, and like the top of her head then up here. Then we will bring this down around. It's kind of like standard kind of face shape. To her jaw, it's kind of like not a strong jaw, you know, because it's a woman, so it's just like a more gradual sort of curve around the shape for her face. And then we do have those lines that go up around her head for the mask, down this way. Just some little sort of edge lines on these, because they do have a little bit of a bump on either side. And then maybe some like texture on her face. Right, so let's see, hair. So pretty much, right? So it's kind of like, it's kind of hide, right? We've got like a little round sort of bump here, right? And then long hair coming out the back of her head. Right? All coming out here. Wavy. Right, and it comes out from just behind her head and her cheek and stuff here. And it's just sitting on her shoulder. So just adding all textures to all this. Like so. And of course blonde hair. Now, that's her head. So now the body. So anatomy. Does she have a black collar? Yeah, I think so. So neck just sort of comes down here, and then on this side, and then she's got this sort of V in the center, like so. And I think there's a black collar, kind of like original Deadpool, coming across her neck there. And then this collar sort of comes down here then. And goes behind her hair on that side. So that's all hair. And then her shoulder, she got like a bit of a strap on it here. Down that way. So her body, so let's say, so her anatomy sort of comes in here, right? And you've got a shoulder pad on this side, but her body kind of just comes in this way. And then her rib cage sort of area, it's got all these lines on it in there. And then there's the side body here on this side. Like so. And then we have the line just coming down the center. Curved line coming over her chest from the middle here. And this one goes same over this way underneath her hair. And then there's the reds, the separation of the red and black sections. So that way. That way. And then the lines for her chest. So we go, I think, just down this way. So there's all stitching here. I think there as well. Just around. There's a stitching line coming down this way as well. Pretty sure anyway. Another curved line here. And then there's a black bar there. And then a curved line that way. Over here. Right, and then this seems to be silver in there, and then like more sort of stitching sort of areas, black and red. Another stitching line running down her waist there. That. So down here then we got that cool belt. So it goes a circle, a silver circle, and then that Deadpool symbol. Like that, and then the eyes, they're more kind of square. Kind of like that. Then there's like a gold plate here. And then her belt, it's like a Batman sort of utility belt, right? So it's got brown here. And then like pouches and stuff just sort of hanging down. Just little sort of bags and boxes and there's like a buckle in here as well. Like a golden one. Right. Kind of like this. Just the same thing then. Over this side just with the pouches and all that good stuff. So kind of goes behind her waist here. She's got another gun clip or something hanging down here. We'll just do it as her waist maybe. And we just add that other buckle in here. So we got like some detail lines on the side here. Right, so that's the body, right? There's like some textures and stuff on all this. So we got to add shoulder pads, arms and blades. So let's go shoulder pads, sort of plastic armor. There, give it an edge. Right, and then our arm just comes down here, not overly muscular arm. Thin forearm. And sort of bicep maybe, like that, right? Same on this side, so but it's obviously coming out from underneath her hair a bit more than the other side. And then a thin enough arm here. And then there's a black line running down the inside of the arm that way. And then we got 3 straps. with 3 silver buckles and 3 straps on this side. Like that. Oh yeah, swords. Can't forget the weapons. So katanas. One. The other one we can see a bit more of it. And these weapons usually have like a little cap on top of them. Japanese swords. We are well used to drawing them here from anime. And diamonds usually, not all the time. Drawing a couple of different Deadpools now, and some of them don't have these diamonds, but it could just be different images. And just some texture on it like this. Texture on her hair. And oh, there's a little silver clip here. Well, I think that's everything, guys. That is how to draw Ladypool from Deadpool and Wolverine. Hope it's helpful. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.